Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Fossil watch updated. Start by charging the watch fully and powering it on, then enable Bluetooth on your phone and open the Fossil app to begin pairing. Follow on-screen prompts to select language, sign into your account, and install updates. Customize watch faces and notifications after setup, and reboot if an update stalls to resolve most issues quickly again. Begin by unboxing and inspecting the watch for damage, then locate the charging cable and magnetic pins. Power on the watch and choose your preferred language, then connect to Wi-Fi if available to speed updates. Open the Fossil app on your phone, create or sign into your account, and follow the app pairing flow carefully to grant permissions for notifications and health data. Test basic functions like time sync, alarms, and step tracking. If pairing fails, restart both devices and retry pairing in airplane mode toggles. Check app permissions and make sure Bluetooth is allowed and battery saver is off. For update errors, ensure stable Wi-Fi, charge above 50%, and wait for a full download before restarting. Contact Fossil support if problems persist after these steps. Clear app cache, reinstall the app, and try pairing with another phone to isolate the issue. Keep software updated for both watch and phone to reduce compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.